So we've got a lovely little group of puffins over here. We've been seeing puffins all around the island today, which is really lovely to see. They're all over the place. And yeah, they're actually quite curious. They've been watching us about as much as we've been watching them. So at this time of year, they're kind of scoping out burrows. They're scoping out areas to come and make a little home. So we've got lots of old burrows here that have been used in the past. So they'll be going out, doing a little bit of snooping in those burrows, doing a bit of spring cleaning. And then soon they'll be having their eggs, and they'll be a lot less obvious. A lot of them will actually be either out at sea feeding or in the burrows with the eggs or the chicks. So it's actually a really nice time of year to see them out and about on the island moving around. So round about this time of year is when we start seeing them coming back. So that's round about early April, mid-April time. They won't start settling down for another few weeks. But at this time of year you can generally see them out and about on the water or on the island looking around. We first saw them back this year in mid-March. It was a couple of weeks ago we first saw them on the cameras, which was really exciting. It means that we can actually start looking out for them, and it's great timing with the boat trips as well, because it means that when you go out on the boats, there's a good chance that you might see them all out on the water at this time. I think the reason that puffins are so popular and likeable is just that they're so charismatic, and they're so lovely to watch. I mean, you just have to sit and watch them for a wee while to see them kind of like waddling around. They've got quite a comical walk, and the way that they act together as well. You see them in like pairs doing their little kind of like, almost like beak fencing. They kind of rub their beaks together like little kisses. And they're just really lovely birds.